Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to block apps on iPhone. The first thing you need to do is open settings. Once in settings, you are going to tap on screen time. After selecting screen time, you are going to tap on app limits. And from here you are going to ensure that app limits is toggled on. After you have toggled it on, you are going to tap on add limit. And from there you'll be prompted to enter your passcode. Then from here you will select the app that you would like to block. So for example, if it is a social media app, you'll tap on social. Then you'll select the app. Then you'll tap on next. After selecting next, you can select the time limit that you would like to be able to use the app for a day. So let's say for example, after 1 minute of usage, you would like the app to lock down. Then you'll tap on add. As you can see there, it is Twitter and it blocked at the end of limit. So now after opening Twitter for a minute, it will automatically lock, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.